Speak before you throw $800 a month at Sales Navigator. Clay does the same job with AI personalization for $149. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / cold outreach is broken. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / generic emails. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / 2% reply rates. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / Clay is the AI spreadsheet that fixes all of that, and most sales teams have no idea it exists. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / after testing this for 30 days, my take is that it's one of the few tools that actually delivers on what it promises. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / waterfall enrichment. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote / Clay hits 10 data providers at once: Apollo, Hunter, Clearbit, LinkedIn, and stops the second it finds a verified email. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / fill rates go from 40% to 85%. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / no single provider gets close to that. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / then there are AI researcher columns. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / type 1 prompt, summarize what this company does in 10 words, and Clay runs it across your entire list automatically. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / are you still writing these first lines by hand? Drop a comment below. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / Apollo gives 50 free credits, no AI. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / Hunter is $49 for basic lookups only. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / Clay's free tier. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote / 100 credits with full waterfall access. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / at $149 it replaces both and adds personalization on top. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / free. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote / 100 credits. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / starter. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote / $149, 2000 credits. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / explorer. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote / $349. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / pro. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote / $800. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / one real warning: enriching 1,000 contacts can burn through your entire starter plan in one run. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / know your list size before you start. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / score. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote / 8.5 out of 10. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / best for B2B teams sending 500 plus cold emails a week. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / under 200 a month. Skip it, Apollo's free tier is enough. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / scaling outbound. Clay is the answer. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / running cold outreach right now. Drop a yes in the comments. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / link in the description. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote / subscribe for daily AI tool reviews / speak.